Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to unstake Ethereum on Coinbase, a very easy step-by-step guide. So once you launch Coinbase, what I want you to do is come to the bottom and click on My Assets, and you'll be redirected right here. And what I need you to do is go ahead and scroll down until you find all your cryptos. So let's say you want to unstake Ethereum. You go ahead and click on Ethereum. For this example, I'll show you using a Tezos, but it's the same procedure. You can also click on Ethereum as well. So here we have Tezos. And what you need to do, guys, is scroll down, and here is what you have staked. For example, you can see it's earning 3.19% APY. You can go ahead and click on that, and then you can just go ahead and click on unstake. So you do the same thing with the Ethereum. Just go ahead and click on unstake and enter the amount you want to go to unstake, and then click on preview unstake. You'll see everything and the unstaking period. Go ahead and click on unstake now. And as you can see, your order will be submitted and they'll send you an email once the status updates. Click on view account and you'll be able to see this. Look, it's pending the unstaking and it's going to take 2 days. Really that easy and simple. Do the same thing with Ethereum. So if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.